Hey everyone, welcome back to English Daily Dialogues. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Let's skip the small talk today and jump straight into a quick challenge for you watching at home.
Yeah, look at these two short sentences on your screen right now.
I am finished with this podcast. He said me that he was hungry.
Can you find any mistakes in these two sentences and correct them? Don't answer just yet. We aren't going to correct them for you quite yet, but we want you to look at them very carefully.
Most English students use them at the completely wrong times without realizing it. When you say them like this, it completely changes your meaning and sounds very strange to native speakers.
But don't worry, we are going to fix them for you right now so you never make these embarrassing mistakes again. Let's break down the first sentence immediately. Round 1 on the clock. Let's look back at sentence number 1. I am finished with my homework. Can you spot the mistake? You have 3 seconds.
Time's up. The mistake is actually the word with. In natural English, if you tell someone you are finished with something, it means you absolutely hate it. You are totally sick of it, and you want to quit it forever.
Oh my goodness! So if I say, I am finished with this podcast, it sounds like I hate our show and I'm quitting the channel?
Exactly. If you just mean a daily task is done, drop the word with. Let's look at 3 real-world examples.
1. I finished my homework. Simple past. The job is 100% done. 2. I'm finished eating. You're full. The waiter can take your plate. 3. I am finished with my job. This means I hate my boss, I quit, I'm never coming back.
Wow, lesson learned. I am definitely not finished with this channel. And hey, if you want to stop making these embarrassing mistakes and sound like a true native speaker, hit that subscribe button right now.
Round 2. Look at this one. I didn't like the movie because I was very boring. Can you spot the mistake? 3 seconds.
Time's up. If you tell a native speaker, I am boring, you are telling them that you have a dull personality and you're not fun to hang out with.
Right. The word you want for that sad, empty inside feeling is bored. Here is the golden rule. Use ED for your inside feelings and use ING for the outside thing or situation that is causing that feeling.
Let's look at 3 quick examples so you never mix them up again. Example 1. The grammar lesson was boring, so the students felt bored. Example 2. The football game was exciting, so the fans were excited. Example 3. My job is very tiring, so I feel tired every night.
Remember, guys, you are not boring people. The situation is boring, and that makes you feel bored.
Let's look back at our second sentence from the beginning. He said me that he was hungry. Can you spot the mistake? 3 seconds on the clock.
Time's up. You cannot say said me. It just doesn't work in English grammar. The easiest way to remember it is you say something, but you tell someone.
Let's check out 3 examples to see how it works in real conversations.
Example 1. Using tell. He told me a secret. Perfect. The person me comes right after told. 2. He said he was tired. Perfect. No person directly after said. 3. The alternative. He said to me that he was tired. This is also correct, but you must add the word to before the person.
Got it. So scratch he said me from your brain. It's always he told me or just he said.
Round 4. Here is a huge one we see online all the time. Your idea is great. I am agree with you. Can you spot the mistake? 3 seconds.
Time's up. Lose the word am. In a lot of languages, the translation requires the verb to be. But in English, agree is already an active verb all by itself.
Exactly. Think of it just like the verb like. You don't say, I am like apples, right? You just say, I like apples. Let's practice with 3 examples. I agree with your plan. Not, I am agree. I disagree with this choice. Not, I am disagree. Yesterday, she agreed to help us.
Yep. Just drop the am completely and confidently say, I agree.
All right, final round before we start the quiz. Look at this sentence. Every student in the class passed the test. Can you spot the mistake? 3 seconds.
Time's up. The mistake is students with an S. Even though the word every makes us think of a big group of people, grammatically, it is always a singular word. It literally means every single individual one. Because of that, the noun right after it must be singular.
Let's look at 3 quick examples to lock this in. Example 1. Every student has a notebook. Not every student's. Example 2. Every country has a flag. Not every country's. Example 3. Every morning is beautiful. Perfect.
Keep it singular. Every student.
All right, guys, it is time for our English quiz. We have 7 rapid-fire questions lined up for you. Keep track of your points and write your final score in the comments below.
Question 1. Which one is correct? A. I am boring with this book. B. I am bored with this book. C. I finished this book.
The correct answer is C. I finished this book. Question 2. Which one is correct? A. She told me she was happy. B. She said me she was happy. C. She told me she was happy.